Today we're going to be learning how to terminate Azco Technologies LightFence. Azco wire terminates very easily. Included in your toolkit, you'll find all the various tools that you need. So what we have is cutters, strippers, crimp tool, polishing disc, polishing paper, some connectors to start off with, some couplers to start off with heat shrink, and of course a quick installation manual. All in a nice case. So to start, what we'd end up doing is of course cutting our Azco wire to length that we need once we've taken it along the fence and the perimeter. And then what we end up doing is we end up stripping it back. So, using our stripping tool, we're going to strip back. Sorry, I need to get the right size. Kind of clean it off there. Remove the excess. We then take our connector, and our connector is made of two pieces. Actual metal part and a boot. So what we want to do is slide that boot, of course, across that first. And then what we do is we slide our connector down. In this case we have not, actually we're just about there. So we have a little bit of actual fiber coming through the end of the connector, which is what we want. I want to make sure some of it's there because we're going to polish it down to another level. Then take our crimp tool and we're going to crimp that connector onto the Azco wire, lock it in there. As such, crimp down, which will lock into place on the Azco wire. So it's now under solid. We can push our boot now up to cover the end of that. We still have a little bit of our fiber sticking out the end of the connector there. What we do is we thread this into the polishing puck until it goes all the way down and threads all the way down. And then of course we'll have that little bit of fiber still sitting there. At the end, like that. We take our polishing paper, which we put on a flat surface, and we always polish in a figure-8 motion. What that's doing is polishing that in so it's nice and clean and bring it down to the same level as the connector in the polishing puck. That'll allow it to actually send the light through to the controller perfectly without any interruption. That's how you terminate an Azco wire connector. Thank you.